It's time to scoot a drone. But first I'll make these little cards, paint numbers on them, and some symbols so we can have some goals to achieve. Here we go, number 1. Now I'll make a tree, a 1 and a 2 and a smiley face, and put them around the kitchen. But first we must plug in the little Whoop battery. Once it starts up, we'll see beta flight. Yeah, that's it. First we check the battery voltage. Yep, now let's scoot. Yeehaw, here we go. Let's go find that tree. Da-da-da-da, the tree, ha-ha. Remember the tree? I'm talking about this one. And now let's look for the 1. And here we go, looking at the race sign, and we're gonna try to find 2. Let's just crash. Oops. And finally, the smiley face. It's gotta be in here somewhere. I remember where I placed it. So this is what we've been scooting around. And this is the camera that we've been looking through. And in this still, we see the camera and 4 ducted fans, a little control board, and an empty battery connector, which of course connects to a battery like this. You can see it's kind of scratched. And that's it. Practice is over.